Have you ever tried this before? What you have to do it here, as I said you, go to this Wikipedia, copy this source code, okay, and you can practice it. Okay, you can practice this in your see, you just for your understanding you can do it. Yeah, or you can do one thing like instead of you are not available or you feel difficulty in this, what you can do it, you can see from my code. Okay, I will going to share this code with you. You can just open my code, make changes here, and you can do it. For example, right now, let's open my website. Here I change to video. Okay, like suppose I am giving my college name. So my college name is NIT, so I am giving here NIT. Okay, so let me give my college means, so I'm giving my college name NIT. Okay, so let me save it here and see whether it is coming. Now how you can do it, just go to that website again, just refresh it, see it is coming, right? So in that way you can understand here, right? So you have to understand by doing make changes in the code. Now we can do some more changes here. For example, degree, Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science. Okay, here in place of computer science I am adding computer science and engineering. Okay, and make some more changes. uh, Here graduate in 2022, language Java. Let's add Python also and save it. Now again you go, refresh it. Now go to the education section. Now see, graduate in a May 2022. I will going to compare you also. This is my actual, this one, see, graduate in May 2020 with honors. This was the previous one, and this one is May 2022. Similarly, my college name, I have added Python also here, so it is coming Python. So I hope it is clear. Do you have any question? Then you can ask. Any one of you having any question? Okay. So do you want to try this in your system? I can guide you so that you will get confidence. Who wanted to try? I'm right now I'm uploading this video on the sorry on I right now I will going to upload this code on the GitHub. Download it from there, and we will make changes on your system. So you will get some confidence and you can make select this project also. This is very easy. There's no difference here. You can see here computer science and here I've added, so it has make changes here, right? You can make changes. Now one more thing I want to say in this one. Okay, in this one, let's go to the code, check for fun section, control F, see is there any fun section is there. Is not there, so let's check for small fun here, fun stuff. Okay, so in that fun stuff you can see here mountain biking JPG, right? Image, portfolio, thumbnail, MTN biking. This part is coming from where? This is from my system. This is image, portfolio, thumbnail, and here MTN biking. In let me replace it. In place of this, I'm taking some other bike image. Okay, I save it here. Now I will give a path there. I will go to the code. Here in place of this, I will going to change OIP. OIP is the name of my file. Let me check it once again. This is OIP or OJP. Go to the property, check for the like just check it what is the extension of the file. Right click on the file, click on property, jpg.jpg, name is OIP, right? .jpg. Go to the code, type OIP jpg only. Let me save it. I'm saving it. Now go to the tab again, refresh it. See here, and you can check it here also. See, this was the earlier image, and now this image is coming. How easy it is, right? So website development is not difficult. See, if you can take a reference from the code, you can take a reference from my code. I have developed this code from the scratch, but I am telling you the trick how you can make changes. So suppose even in this class, if all the 10 people they took this project, you can make changes according to your image, like this to download bike image, this image. How you're going to change it? Just you need to go to the code, check for the fun section. There you check what is the path. You have to give complete path. Okay, when you will going to run this project on your system, you have to change this complete path to your path where this folder is there. Now right now in my system the path is this one, right? This is the path. Okay, so I have given this path. Last three you have to pass it. Image, portfolio, thumbnail. So when you're going to save it in your system, last three folder you have to pass. Okay, image, portfolio, thumbnail. You can see it here also. I pass image, portfolio, thumbnail, and the name of file. If you still get any error, you can ask me anytime in the class. Do you want to try? Any one of you want to try? So I can explain you. Or are you open? Means you are okay with that? Is it clear to everyone? Do you want to take this project like for your uh, presentations and all? You can make changes to this according to your requirement. I have given you just brief. I have given you how to understand the code, how to take a reference from the code and make changes. Okay, you can make changes in the code by following changes, like just search for the pattern first. Now let me make changes some more here. Now we have done with this part. Okay, now we're going to check it this email part. Okay, in this email part I have added this click one context cloud computing. Okay, email cloud computing GCP. I wanted to make some more changes here. So instead of this GCP email cloud computing, so here what you can do, your name, your email. So in place of that, I want only email, I want only name. Okay, I want only the message. Okay, now I will going to save it here, and before refreshing let me show you first. It's showing your name, your email, your message. Refresh it. See, name, email, message, it's coming, right? So I hope it is clear to you how to work with the code, how to understand the code. This code is a combination of HTML. Let me show you CSS part. This is your jQuery part, JS. This is the jQuery and JavaScript. This script, wherever you see script tag, this is your JavaScript. Wherever you see jQuery, it is your jQuery. Okay, JS is for JavaScript. And now CSS I'm showing you. Where is CSS? This is your CSS part. See here. In this CSS, this I'm adding only the file directly. Instead of writing the code, I'm adding the CSS file. I've written the CSS file. If you want, you can check it also. Click on this, go to the CSS, open any file. For example, let me just open a file. Right click on this, open with Notepad. See here, as I said you, what this CSS file they do, width, height, font, right, color, maximum width, border, layout, this define. You can either directly add this code on your file or you can add the path of this file. Both you can do it. I repeat once again, you can directly add this code on your file or you can just give a path. So this creative means CSS. Let's see whether we have a created. So when right click on this is my file. So you can see here Bootstrap means CSS and other CSS file also I have given the path here, right? So this creative means CSS. Inside this CSS folder, this is the file index CSS, right? So I hope it is clear to you how to make a website and how to make changes to the existing website to understand how the code works. This is just for learning purpose, okay? Don't usually copy from original website and do. When if you wanted to learn, then you can learn it like this, so that you will come to know which code or which tag is doing what. As I shown you, making changes with image, font, right? So I hope it is clear to everyone.